Hi, I'm Teacher Fran, and today we're going to learn how to put on makeup. We're going to learn how to put on makeup. Here's my powder. I'm going to put some powder on my face. Everywhere. Also on my nose and on my ears. 1 and 2. All right. Then eyeshadow. Here's my eyeshadows. I've got a lot of colors. Blue, green, orange, pink, red, brown. I'm going to use blue for my eyes. 1 and 2. Then we're going to put a lighter shade here. 1 and 2. And then this other blue right here. 1 and 2. How is it? Do you like it? Good. Now, here's my lipstick. We have red or pink. I'm going to go for red. I'm going to put some red lipstick on my mouth. There you go. It's not perfect. I've got an idea. Let's try with this blue. Much better. 1 and 2. Huh? Better, huh? Now let's try with some orange on the mouth. Much better, isn't it? And some yellow right here. 1 and 2. I've got another idea. Let's see what happens now. What's missing? My nose is missing. And now, what's missing? My forehead is missing. And now, what's missing? My chin is missing. And now, what's missing? My whole face is missing. You can only see eyes, mouth, and cheeks. Bye! What are we learning? Easy, difficult. Easy, difficult. I've got an idea. What's missing? What's missing? My face, my ears, my nose, my mouth. 1, 2. Red, blue, green, orange, brown, pink, yellow.